Good morning students. Today we are going to see grade 4 maths chapter 2 Roman numerals. In the previous class we saw exercise 2.1. Now exercise 2.2. Just recall Roman numerals and rules. The Roman numerals are formed by using only 7 symbols. The Roman numerals are formed by using only 7 symbols. What are that? I, V, X, L, C, D, M. I, V, X, L, C, D, M. Value of I, 1. Value of V, 5. Value of X, 10. Value of V, 50. Value of C, 100. Value of D, 500. Value of M, 1000. So, value of I, 1. Value of V, 5. Value of X, 10. L, 50. C, 100. D, 500. M, 1000. So, this Roman numerals and the values very important. Next, rules. So, first rule, the symbols I, X, C, M can be repeated maximum thrice only. Repetition means the sum of the numerals. Sum of the numerals. I, X, C, M can be repeated maximum thrice only. So, use maximum 3 times. Repetition means the sum of the numerals. Repetition means sum of the numerals. For example, X, X. So, repetition. Maximum 3 times. So, here given 2 times. So, repetition means sum of the numerals. Sum means addition. Sum means addition. So, what is the value of X? Value of X is 10. So, 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10. So, arrange the numbers. Then add. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. 20. So, X, X. Value of X, X, 20. So, rules very important. First rule, the symbols I, X, C, M can be repeated maximum thrice only. Repetition means the sum of the numerals. So, use maximum 3 times. So, here given X, X. So, 2 times only. So, sum of the numerals, just add. Sum means addition. So, X value 10, X value 10. 10 plus 10, 20. So, 20 means X, X. Okay. So, suppose you write X, 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 X. 4 times X means wrong. 4 times X means this one wrong. Because here given the condition maximum thrice only. That means maximum 3 times only. So 4 times means wrong. 4 times means wrong. Okay. Next second condition. If a smaller number I, V, X, C is written to the right of a greater number, it is added. So smaller number I, V, X, C is written to the right of a greater number. Right of a greater number, it is added. So for example, Xi. Value of X, 10. Value of I, 1. See here. Value of X, 10. Value of I, 1. So look at here. Which one is the greater number here? X. Because X value 10. So greater number. Right side we have small means addition. So smaller number is written to the right of a greater number. It is added. So greater number, right side we have small number means addition, added. So now you add these two numbers. 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1, 11. So xi means 11. So rules very important. Rules you know very well means this Roman numerals concept very easy. So how to find out xi value? You apply the rules. Just to check. X value 10, I value 1. Greater number. Right side we have the small number means addition. So add 10 plus 1, 11. Okay. Next condition. If a smaller number ixc is written to the left of a greater number, it is subtracted from the greater. If a smaller number ixc is written to the left of a greater number, it is subtracted from the greater. So example, I value 1, x value 10. I value 1, x 10. So 1, x value 10. Here, which one is the greater? 1 or 10? 10 is greater number. So greater number, left side we have the small number. So this one subtraction. So 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1 means we get the answer 9. So 10 minus 1. So 0 minus 1 is not possible. Borrow means 0 becomes 10. This 1 reduced and write 0. So 10 minus 1, 9. So we get answer 9. See here, if a smaller number ixc is written to the left of a greater number, it is subtracted from the greater. So I value 1, x value 10. So 10 is greater number. Greater number, left side small number means subtraction. In the before rule, greater number, right side small number means addition. This one, greater number, left side small number means subtraction. Next rule, when a ixc is written between two numerals of greater value, it is subtracted from the number on its right. When a ixc is written between two numerals of greater value, it is subtracted. From the number on its right. First you write the value of this Roman numbers. What is the value of x, I, v? Value of x 10, value of I 1, value of v 5. Right here. X value 10, I value 1, v value 5. So see, two greater number between we have the small number. So you take the small number and subtract from the number on its right side. So take right side number, this two number. You find the difference of these two number. So what is the x value? X 10 plus, you find the difference of, that means you subtract these two number. 5 minus 1. So 10 plus 5 minus 1, 4, 14. So xib value 14. Exercise 2.2. First one, write the Hindu-Arabic notation for the following. So here given Roman numeral, you find the numbers. So first write value of I. Value of I 1. Value of V 5. Value of x 10. Value of L 50. Okay. So now we are using these 4 symbols. Value of I 1. Value of V 5. Value of x 10. Value of L 50. See here, first one, a sum x L. X L. So x L equal to, what is the value of x? Value of x 10. Value of L 50. So write the top 10, L value 50. Now here you apply, just recall the rules. First x value 10, L value 50. Here which one is the greater number? L. Which one is the greater number? L. So L, left side we have the small number. Left side small number means addition or subtraction? Subtraction. So here two numbers are given. One value is 10, another one value 50. Here which one is the greater number? 50. So greater number, left side we have the small number. Left side small number means subtraction. So now do that. 50 minus 10. So 50 minus 10. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers? 4 fingers. So we write the answer 4. Now your value 40. So write here 40. Value of XL equal to 40. See here. Here given question XL. X value of X 10. Value of L 50. So just to recall the rules. Here small number, this one greater number. 10, 50. You compare these two number. This one is small, this one is greater number. So greater number, left side we have the small number means subtraction. Greater number, right side small number means addition. This is two rules. So here greater number, left side small number. So subtraction. So 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10 we get 40. So XL value 40. Next B question. X, X, I, X. See here. X, X, I, X. So what is the value of X? Value of X 10. Next here given I. Value of I 1. So write here 10, 10, I value 1, X 10 equal to. Look at here. First two number X, X. Repeated. Repeated means addition. X, X repeated. So first row, this is repeated. Next, I, X. So I value 1, X value 10. Greater number, left side we have the small number. So this two subtraction. So first two here given X, X. X, X means repeated. Repeated means addition. So 10, 10. 10 plus 10. Here I, X. So I value 1, X value 10. Greater number, left side we have the small number. So subtraction. So this two number do subtraction. 10 minus 1. So I will do in the subtraction. Now 10 plus 10. You don't know means you arrange the number 10, 10. 0 plus 0, 0. 1 plus 1, 2. So we get the answer 20. Plus 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1, we get the answer 9. So 20 plus 9. 20 plus 9. 0 plus 9. 9. 2. No number, so write down. We get the answer 29. So XXIX value 29. Okay. So rules very important. Rules we know very well, means this Roman number very easy. Next one. See some XV. XV. X value of X 10, value of V 5. 10, 5. See here, which one is the greater number? 10. So greater number, right side we have small number. So right side small number means addition. So 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5. Write the number 10 plus 5. 0 plus 5. 5. 1. 1. So 15. XV, value of XV 15. See here given XL. X value 10, L value 50. Here given numbers, 50 is greater number. So greater number left side small number means subtraction. See here, X value 10, V value 5. X is greater number, right side the small number, so addition. So greater number, you find the greater number, right side small number means addition, left side small number means subtraction. Next one, D sum. X L I. X L I equal to value of X 10, value of L 50, value of I 1. So 10, 50, 1. See here, first to take first two number X L. So X value 10, L value 50. So which one is the greater number here? 50. So greater number, left side we have the small number. So this two subtraction. 50 minus 10. Then plus I value 1. Okay. See here, XL. X value 10, L value 50. So greater number, left side we have the small number. So first to do the subtraction of these two number. Okay. Then you add this I value 1. Add 1. So 50 minus 10. Do the calculation. 50 minus 10. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. So we get answer 40 plus 1. 40 plus 1, 41. So XLI value 41. So X value 10, L value 50, I value 1. So here first you take first two number XL. L is the greater number. So greater number left side we have the small number. So subtraction. 50 minus 10, we get answer 40. Then you add I. So this is right side small number means addition. So add 40 plus 1, 41. So XLI value 41. So see here now, A question, XL, X value 10, L value 50. Now just you recall the rule, greater number, left side small number means subtraction. So 50 minus 10, 50 minus 10 we get answer 40. XL, value of XL is equal to 40. B1, XXIX. So first two numbers repeated. Repeated means addition. So XX. So 10 plus 10. Here IX. I value 1, x value 10. So greater number, left side small number. So subtraction, 10 minus 1. So 10 plus 10, 20. 10 minus 1 means we get answer 9. So 20 plus 9, 29. So x value 29. See here, x value 10, v value 5. So which is the greater number? X. Greater number, right side small number means addition. So 10 plus 5, 15. xv, value of xv is equal to 15. Here xli, x value 10, L 50, I 1. Take first two number, greater number, left side we have the small number. So subtraction, 50 minus 10 we get answer 40. Then right side small number. So addition. So I value 1. 40 plus 1, 41. XLI, value of XLI equal to 41. So this exercise 2.2, this first Roman, copy in your classwork note, write neatly. So second one, write the Roman numerals for the following. Write the Roman numerals for the following. A1, 3. We know value of I, 1. Value of B, 5. Value of X, 10. Value of L, 50. We know that first rule, I, X, C, M repeated maximum 3 times. So I repeated 3 times means we get value 3. So 3 equal to I. So we know that rule, I, X, C, M repeated maximum 3 times. Okay. So repeated means addition. So here given 3. So I value 1. So I am writing 3 times means we get answer 3. So I value 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So 3 means I. Okay. Next B1. 13. So 13 equal to, first to write the expanded form. 13 means 10 plus 3. You know that very well, expanded form. 13 means 10 plus 3. That is place value of this one ones, tens. 1 tens, 3 ones. So 10 plus 3. Now we know the Roman number, value of 10. Value of 10 means x. Value of 10 means x. 3 means we are writing I 3 times. So 10 means x plus 3 means we are writing I 3 times. Now x, I, 13. So first 13 equal to, write that expanded form. 13 means 10 plus 3. We know very well value of 10. What is the Roman number? X. X plus 3 means I repeated 3 times. So I. So I value 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So X, I. 13 means X, I. Next one. See some. 23. 23 equal to, first step you write the expanded form. 23 means 3 ones, 2 tens. 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3. Okay. 20 plus 3. 20 means x value 10. Which x, I, X, Then CM repeated maximum 3 times. So 20 means I am repeated x 2 times. So x plus 3. 3 means I am repeated 3 times. I. Okay. So rules we know very well means the sums easy. So here given 20. 20 means 10 only we get 20. So I, X, C, M are repeated maximum 3 times. This is first rule. So X I am write 2 times. So X means 10 plus 10, 20. 3 means I value 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. Now your Roman number X, I. Okay. So 23 means X, I. Next B sum. 33. So what is the expanded form of 33? 30 plus 3. 30 means 10 write 3 times because first rule IXEM can be repeated maximum 3 times. So 30 means I will write X 3 times. X. Repeated means addition. So X value 10. 10 plus 10 plus 10. 10 plus 10 20. 20 plus 10 30 plus 3. 3 means 3 times I. So I value 1. So 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 1 3. 33. 33 means X. I. Okay. And one A sum 3. Rules you know very well means this sums very easy. So here given 3. We know very well I value 1, B value 5, X value 10, L value 50. First rule I, X, C, M can be repeated maximum 3 times. So here I value 1. So 3 times I means we get value 3. So I will write 3 equal to I. So I value 1. So 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 1 3. So 3 equal to I. B1 13. So expanded form of 13. 13 means 3 ones 1 tens. So 10 plus 3. Expanded form of 13 means 10 plus 3. 10 means X plus 3. 3 means I. We are writing maximum 3 times. So maximum repeated means addition. So I value 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 1 3. So X I. 13 equal to X I. Next is C sum. Here given 23. First step you write the expanded form of 23. Here 2 tens, 3 ones. So 20 plus 3. 20. X value 10. X we are repeated maximum 3 times. So I am writing 2 times X. X value 10. So 10 plus 10 20. So X plus 3. I value 1. So I am writing 3 times. So 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 1 3. So first condition IXCM can be repeated maximum 3 times. So I am writing 3 times here. So X I. 23 equal to X I. D question 33. So first you write the expanded form of 33. 33 is equal to 30 plus 3. 30. So X value 10. So I am writing 3 times X. So first rule we know very well. IXCM can be repeated maximum 3 times. So X I am writing 3 times. So X value 10. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. So 30 means X plus 3. I value 1. So I am writing 3 times. We get answer 3. So I value 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So X, I. 33 equal to X, I. So 3 means I. 13 X, I. 23 X, I. 33 X, I. Okay. So this 4 sums copy in your classwork note. Write neatly. Third one, fill in the blanks with greater than, less than or equal. Fill in the blanks with greater than, less than or equal. A sum X, L. So one side is given Roman number, another one side is given number. So you compare these two number, you find less than or greater than or equal. Okay. So now you find the value of XL. So XL, X value of X 10, value of L 50. So X value 10, L value 50. So just to recall the rule, X value 10, L value 50. Here which one is the greater number? 50. Greater number, left side we have the small number. So subtraction. 50 minus 10. So X value 10, L value 50. Now just to recall the rule. Here given which one is the greater number here? 50. So greater number, left side we have the small number. So left side small number means subtraction. Suppose right side small number means addition. So here given left side small number. So subtraction. 50 minus 10. Do the calculation. 50 minus 10. 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 1. 5 minus 1. 1 after 2, 3, 4, 5. How many fingers here? 4 fingers. So your answer 4. 40. So 50 minus 10 we get answer 40. So write here XL 40. So XL value 40. So now you compare. Here 40, here also 40. Both numbers are same number. Same number means equal. Same number means equal. Next B question. $35 XLI. 35 XLI. So here given number 35. Here given Roman number. So this Roman number convert into number. XLI. X value 10, L 50, I value 1. So you take first two number. XL. X value 10, L value 50. So which one is the greater number here? L. Greater number. Left side we have the small number. So left side small number means subtraction. So 50 minus 10. Then you add 1, I value. Because right side small number means addition. So 50 minus 10. 50 minus 10. Do the subtraction. 0 minus 0, 0. 5 minus 1, 4. 40. 40 plus 1. 40 plus 1, 41. See here, XL value 40. So here also XL. So XL value 40 plus I value 1. So 40 plus 1, 41. Value 10, L value 50, I value 1. First you take this two number, XL, X10, L50. So which one is the greater number? 50. So greater number left side, small number means subtraction. So 50 minus 10 plus 1. 50 minus 10 we get answer 40. 40 plus 1, 41. So 41. So now 35 XLI. XLI value 41. See here 35, 41. Which one is the greater number? 41. So this symbol 41, big number side, come to the mouth, open big. Okay. So 35 less than 41. 35 less than 41. So see here XL value 40. So here given 40. Both numbers are same number. So equal. Here 35 XLI. First you find the value of XLI. XLI. XL means 40 plus I 1. 41. So 35, 41. Here greater number is 41. Smaller number 35. So 35 less than 41. Okay, so these two sums copy in your classwork note. Write neatly. Now see sum. XVI, XVI, I. So see here, XVI, XVI. These two numbers are Roman number. So first you find the value of Roman number. X, V, I equal to X value 10, V value 5, I value 1. So 10, 5, 1. See here, which one, first you take first two number. Which one is the greater number here? Yes. So right side we have the small number. Right side small number means addition. Right side small number means addition. Suppose left side small number means subtraction. So now XL. X value 10 plus V value 5 plus I value 1. So 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. Otherwise you arrange the number 10, 5, 1. 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 1, 6, 1. So your answer 16. XVI equal to 16. Next, XVI. So X value 10, V value 5, I value 1, I value 1. So here greater number, right side we have the small number. So addition. Here repeated. Repeated means addition only. So 10 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1. So arrange the number 10, 5, 1, 1. So 0 plus 5, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. Here 1. So we get the answer 17. We get the answer 17. So XVI equal to 16. XVI 17. So Roman numerals rules we know very well, means this calculation very easy. Now right here XVI, XVI. This value 16. This one 17. Here Which one is the greater number? 16 or 17? 17 is greater number. So the mouth open come to this side. Big number side, big mouth open. So 16 less than 17. 16 less than 17. Next one. D sum. X, I. Another side 15 plus 10 plus 6. Now do the calculation. X, I. So here given 3 times x. X value 10, I value 1. So repeated 3 times means addition only. So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus I value 1. So greater number, right side small number means addition only. Now add this number. So arrange the numbers. Then add. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 1, 1. 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So we get answer 31. 31. Next another one set here given number. So you arrange the numbers and find the value. 15, 10, 6. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 6, 11. 5 plus 6, 11. So 11 means 1 here, another one carry over. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So we get answer 31. We get answer 31. See here, x, I. Another one side 15 plus 10 plus 6. This value 31. This calculation also we get answer 31. So 31, 31. Both sides are same number. Same number means we write equal symbol. Same means we write equal symbol. So see here. So here given two sides Roman number. So first you find the value of Roman number. X, V, I. X value 10, V value 5, I value 1. So greater number, right side small number means addition. This is rule. Okay. So 10 plus 5 plus 1. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. So here given X, V, I. X value 10, V value 5, I value 1, I value 1. So 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 1, 16. 16 plus 1, 17. So x value 10. So here greater number is x. So greater number, right side we have the small number. So addition. So do add. So here XVI is 16. XVI 17. Here greater number is 17. So XVI less than XVII. Okay. So D sum XXXI. Here given 15 plus 10 plus 16. X means 10. So 10, 10, 10. I value 1. Repeated maximum 3 times. So here given maximum 3 times. Repetition. So repetition means addition. First rule. So x value 10 plus 10 plus 10. Greater number, right side small number means addition. So plus 1. 10 plus 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 30 plus 1, 31. So here 15 plus 10 plus 6. Do the calculation, we get answer 31. So XXXI value 31. 15 plus 10 plus 6 is equal to 31. Both sides are same number. Same number means equal. Okay. So these two sums copy in your classwork note. So exercise 2.2 first 3 sections completed. Thank you.